for this video, the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Make sure you click on File. The next thing you need to do is to click on Open. Then you have to locate where you have the AI, that is Illustrator file, on your PC. So I have it on my download folder right here. I will simply go ahead and click on my download folder. Then I have to make sure I select the AI. So here we go. You can see the AI file right here. So I will simply select on the file. So it is a free spy. It is a free spy vector. Okay. So having selected the file, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on Open right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Now you have pages, you have images, you have 3D. So this depends on the kind of file you are opening. So if you want to make it images, so select on images. But as for me, I'm going to make sure all the pages is appear in the export right here. So you have all the file format right here, and then you can simply come down below right here and make sure you turn OK. Then allow it to load up, and you have it right here. Now here, it's going to come in form of smart object, but nevertheless, you can still edit and work on some of the shapes right here. How do you do that? We can, first of all, we can create a background color for this, and for that, what we want to do is to simply come down below right here. I'm going to simply make a new layer. Then after make a new layer, I will make sure I come to the shape tools right here. I will simply draw a rectangle shape. So I'm going to select rectangle shape right here. Then I'll be sure I draw a rectangle shape right here. So having drawn a rectangle shape, you can see this shape here is a black color. I can simply come to the shape tools right here from the property. I can double click on the shape thumbnail right here. This allows me to see color width. Then here I can easily change to white, 100% white color, and I'll hit on OK. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to come back to the layer right here. I will simply select on the vector layer. And what I'm going to do is to drag it all over the new white shape, rectangle shape layer. And we're going to have the objects on the shape, just like what you see right here. As you can see right here, we have the shape right here, and everything is intact. Here, we can work on this particular shape right here. We can decide to change the color of the shape. We can decide to call the shape one after the other. Let's say, for instance, I want to work on this particular eye color shape. So what we want to do is to make sure the layer is active. Then we want to go ahead and select our rectangular marquee tool right here. So I'm going to select my rectangular marquee tool. And I'll make sure I drag all over. Then having drag all over, then I'll press Ctrl J on my keyboard. This allows me to cut into a new layer, just like what you see right here. And I will right click on it. I will go to blending options. So this will allow me to apply new color into this particular shape right here. So I will click on the layer option. This is going to pop up right here. Here, there are a lot of things we can do with this particular shape. What I'm going to do here is to simply apply new color. What we want to do is to simply double click on the color overlay right here. When you double click on the color overlay, by default, you are going to have a default color on it, just like what you see right there. Then here, I will simply click on the color blend mode right here. I'm going to change it to 100% black, and I'll hit on OK. So once you apply the color, it's going to be effect on the shape, just like what you see right here. Finally, I'm going to click on OK right here. It's that simple. So this is how to work with AI file in your Adobe Photoshop. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.